Hello, and welcome to this new AUTOMY video tutorial.
Today, I will take you on a complete walkthrough of the main menu when accessing with the administrator role. As an administrator, you have full access to manage all aspects of the platform, from processes to user and entity configurations. Let's get started. Just like with the user role, in the top right corner of the screen, you will find important access options. Here, you can switch between different companies or environments you have access to as an administrator. By clicking on the icon with your initials, you can access options such as changing your password, enabling two-factor authentication for added security, and logging out. You can also switch the platform's language between English and Spanish. The notification bell will show the number of pending requests requiring your approval. And the search bar will help you quickly find information using keywords. On the home view or dashboard, as an administrator, you can see the overall activity of the platform. Here, you'll find all the requests generated by you and other platform users, organized by their status, pending, submitted, approved, etc. You can apply filters by year and month. Scrolling down, you'll find a management panel where you can view the request consumption of your subscribe plan, the number of active processes, and the total number of users in your platform. On the left side of this panel, you can see the storage usage and the number of emails sent based on your subscribe plan. Now, let's explore the main menu. As an administrator, you have access to all platform functionalities, many of which are exclusive to your role. In the Processes section, in addition to viewing public processes or those you have access to, you can create new processes. You will be able to see who created each process, when it was created, and what active settings it has. You can also go to the process settings to edit, activate, deactivate, or delete it, as long as no request has been generated. The process creation and configuration will be covered in a future video. In the Tasks section, you'll have access to all your pending tasks. In the Request section, you'll have full access to all requests generated on the platform. Not just yours, but also those from all users. Here, you will see a list of all requests created by you or any other user, allowing you to monitor their status. Similar to the Task section, you can cancel requests, evaluate approvers, self-assign requests, resend notifications, and view the version history. In the List section, you can manage list-based reports that display important data on requests and processes. You will have access to both public lists and those available to you as an administrator. Additionally, you can create new lists, modify existing ones, and disable those that are no longer useful, allowing you to generate customized reports. In the Reports section, you can manage available reports, such as Power BI reports. You will have access to all public reports and those where you have reading permissions. As an administrator, you won't be able to modify report content, but you can adjust settings, manage access permissions, and enable or disable reports as needed. This allows you to control who can view and use each report. In the Connections section, you can integrate AUTOMY with other services or APIs needed for your processes. The configuration of these connections will be explained in a detailed video later. In Entities, you can manage your internal database called Entities, which are tables where you store master data to be used in processes. We will cover how to create and manage entities in an upcoming tutorial. Finally, in the Settings section, you can manage the entire platform from a single place. You can manage users, create positions, areas, extra fields, delegations, environments, and more. Additionally, in the Support option, as an administrator, you'll have the ability to copy processes from one environment to another, which is very useful for migrations or setting up new environments. We will soon release a video explaining how to use this feature so you can implement it easily. And that's everything included in the main menu for an administrator in AUTOMY. As you can see, you have full control to manage every aspect of the platform, from processes and users to reports and connections. In upcoming videos, we will explain each of these features in detail so you can make the most of AUTOMY. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for using AUTOMY, and see you in the next video.